Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by preparing your iPhone. Update iOS, backup, and duplicate the photo so you never overwrite the original. Once done, open the App Store and install a dedicated photo erasing tool. These apps have the precise brush and lasso controls you need. Make sure to grant Photos access so the app can import the duplicate image. You're not fiddling with filters yet. Open the duplicate now and import it into the Eraser app to begin precise removal work. Once the image is loaded, zoom to about 200% and choose the lasso or brush to precisely select the object you want gone. You'll pick a remove mode, heal for grainy backgrounds, clone for repeating patterns, or patch for large areas, because each method reconstructs pixels differently. Apply small strokes rather than one big swipe. That reduces artifacts. Make adjustments between heal and clone until the fill matches surrounding texture. If a stroke looks wrong, undo immediately and try a smaller selection. To finish, inspect the area at regular and full sizes, then use clone or patch to remove seams and feather edges so grain and color match naturally. Once blended, toggle the apps before slash after to confirm there are no repeating artifacts or weird blurs. If tones look off, apply subtle noise or color adjustments to unify the area with the rest of the image. Export the edited file back to Photos and retain the duplicated original until you're completely satisfied with the result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.